I bet when I bring up the subject of slip and falls, you only think of grocery stores, don't you? Well, there are other places that slip and falls can occur, and we're going to go through them one by one. One are office buildings, particularly in the restroom area. If the cleaning people clean their restroom but forget to either cordon it off or put warning signs on it, and you walk in there and slip and fall, both the cleaning crew and the management company can be responsible for your slip and fall injuries. Parking structures are another location where people can slip and fall, particularly in areas where it's not well lit. If there's grease on the ground coming from cars, or if somebody spilled something and you do not see it because of poor lighting, people can slip and they can fall and injure themselves. Indeed, we have a current case where we're helping a client who slipped and fell in an elevator in a parking structure. After finishing her work, she was going home. She steps into the elevator, but there was spilled coffee, so she slipped and she fell. Apartment complexes are another location where people slip and fall, particularly in the stairwell area, for two main reasons. Number one is the stairs have just been cleaned and the cleaning crew forgot to cordon it off or put warning signs. Or two, there's improper lighting, and someone who's walking down the stairs fails to see the step in front of them and tumbles over and falls all the way to the ground. Right now, we're handling a case where our client was coming down a flight of stairs, but the stairs had just been recently cleaned, and the cleaning people did not cordon off the area. So he slipped and fell all the way down the flight of stairs. Malls and shopping centers, particularly locations where food is being served. People can drop food as they're walking along doing their shopping, and somebody else comes along and slips on that particular food. We handled a case about a year ago where a client in the Northwich Fashion Center slipped on a French fry and injured her knee. Concert halls is another location where people can slip and fall due to improper or inadequate lighting. About a year ago, we handled another case where a client was attending a concert at the Honda Center in Orange County. There was nobody to help her, and as she was walking down the flight of stairs, it was dark and there was no railing that she could hang on to. She failed to see the step and she slipped and she injured her back. So clearly, there are a lot of locations where slip and falls can occur, but what you need is an experienced personal injury attorney, one who's handled slip and fall cases in the past. This is particularly important because of the additional notice requirement of slip and falls. My name is Mason Rashtian. My firm is called the Mason Law Firm, and we handle slip and fall cases. And we also meet our clients by accident.